Hi there. Welcome to the walkthrough of the Daily Planner template in Google Sheets. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the template, customize it to your needs, and use it to plan out your days. Let's get started. Once you've purchased the template, you'll receive a PDF file with 2 pages. The first page will have a thank you message, a download button so you can get your template, and a link to the store in case you want to check out more templates in future. On the second page, you'll find a printable for those who'd like to print the daily planner and have a physical paper to write on. Okay, once you've clicked the download button, you'll be taken to a preview page. From there, click on the Use Template button in the top right corner to get started. This will open your sheet. The sheet will open the very first tab, which is named Start Here. Please make sure to read through this information before moving forward. Now your Daily Planner template is on the tab that says Daily Planner. The template includes sections for Schedule, Date, Priorities, To Do, Notes, and Affirmation of the Day. You can change the colors of the cells where the headings are by clicking once, go to Fill Color, and picking the color of your choice. If you have a specific color in mind, go to Add a Custom Color. To change the font, click once on the cell, go to Font, select from the drop-down menu, or go to More Fonts. Here you can search for a specific font or scroll through. To update the date, double-click the cell and select from the date picker. The corresponding day of the week will be automatically highlighted below. On the left-hand side of the schedule section, you'll see times listed from midnight to 11 p.m. For each of the sections, click a cell once to start typing, and when you're done, press enter on your keyboard. For the next part I'm going to show you, let me fill in the sheet. Now, if you want to clear the template for a fresh start the next day, there's a Clear Daily Planner button you can use, located under the menu that says Custom. This will wipe the template clean without affecting any formatting I've added. The first time you click this button, you'll see an authorization message asking for permission to access your sheet. This is just a security check for the script or the code that powers the Clear function. After that, the custom menu with the Clear button will always be available. Lastly, the tab that says Printable has the printable version of the Daily Planner if you need to make any adjustments before printing. And to print it out, go to File, Print, select Current Sheet, set your paper size, page orientation, scale, and margins. And that's it for the Daily Planner Google Sheets template. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and take care.